asebono mwakilishi wa bangina kurose county iga Musike Doris Edonya Aburi anyare kubure buna ugusangirekana kwa siasa kwa bire koko twara amangana mange asa matukabwango iga nkobwenete koba nobo toereru naniga ukwana iga asa koro kyako gechigo kwae ase uchiburaburu nabo igogoturubana kwemekutano eyo yabere ekeokorekana engana atebire buna omugusi nabonete wonchoreria nabo igo abraikonia chisera chiabo asoko nike buna banyare gwikirani obwanchani nabo igo omo olembe ayigani gako yakwana kurwase kanisa yegi Adventista yugotoka eyamo ime ya Bonchari county ya Kisii omulikito nanko dipone asanya gotoigolera
ushinda Yesu natoa.
Abana siasa nigo barorekanire gutumika bobe ekegoria geke gusaba sae anene siasa anene asogoturbania emeyega au ngana bono ya mwirira omugwimende bwe county ya Kisii Doris Aburi gusiema biara asebona buli abasaye gweatarana na kwibwaterania nebintu bira bakonya na subugima
igo tiga abantu bali batenendere toborai oborendi baene kikero omuntu mbu yamenyete ogotara otabwati ondago gwaka ogotara otabwati ngane ndon speaker no ninche ninyorete litkondro ororo chisegi chiabete mpaka ofisi eri anenta nyakorosi mpaka rere kegere yale kwa kumono ya kulioka tebwenereti omuntu arusie amanyinga ekiagera onyokoro mwana siasa ayoroche okoboli kerongo na kioka kiragero ragere then you are not a politician yani politics ingoteba is serving yabana inchi tebwenereti kobanga is life and death
gukoreme ya Bonchari sensemo yokurwania chisegi chiegenka gose gender based violence igatebirenga anana basaye abanyaroka nigo babwente konyora amaigirio aranyare kubakonyane na sokwerenda.
Actually the larger Nyanza we are not doing very well in terms of teen pregnancy. We are having babies, so I call upon the chiefs through the CHPs to spread the word. Even the teachers at school, the pastors, let us educate. You see the problem when you say sex education, people think you are teaching the youth on how to do sex, which is wrong. Until the day we will understand what sex education means, I think it's the day we will have an overthrow of this gender-based violence.
Gukonekere kionigo aboria abaibuli gwetangane chiburaburwa anene asochinka ingana tebiringa nige koreta ekiorokererie kibe guchia sabana.
The fights that you are witnessing in our homes, the young girls being abducted, being killed, our parents fighting before the children. I think the best people who can do this, let me say, education are the church leaders, the teachers at school, and the mentors in the society.
Moreni garuo kuboria guchia asabara ibonsi koraria omorembe anene asogokora siasa na gotiga gutumika abasaye bobe kurinde kubakonya asenchirengiya yo wegendereria amagimabo.
Toto aromorembe tutige gutumia abana baito na baidi mwoko 500 ilibe ya mama chikorwana ebesite kubakonya besengia maybe totebe no koregasi osoko korobolemi obuborobuya onyorere ebintu byao lika mugochukwa guchibese cyo guita abantu
kurega se bunge ya Bonchari lyari gonkoro kwa Dipon Asanya.